Let me show you what you can do with the dynamic roles feature in ProcessKit. So I'm looking at my team members that I have invited into my ProcessKit account. So I've defined the different roles that exist in my company, job titles like assistant, designer, editor, manager, writer. And in most cases, I have multiple people from my team who fill those roles. And so using these role assignments, we can dynamically assign the right people to the right tasks in each individual situation. Let me show you what I mean. Let's look at my marketing campaign template. Now, instead of assigning an individual person to these first few steps, instead I assigned a role. Now let's take a look at that setting. I decided to assign this first step to somebody from the assistant role, and we're going to assign that by the client. So ProcessKit will figure out which client the project is for and then assign the right person to that task for that situation. We can also set up the logic to work based on the role setting on the project level as well as the board level, or it can randomly pick a person from this role and assign it, or we can just assign everybody from this role to every new task from this process template. In this example, we're going to assign it by client. Now let me go to my clients list and let's look at the client Dunder Mifflin. And if I look at the roles for the Dunder Mifflin account, we've decided that out of all of our assistants, we want Hunter to be the assistant. We want Juliet to be the designer. We want the editor for this account to be Emma. I will be the manager on it, and the writer will be Remy. So every project that we do for Dunder Mifflin will have this group from my team assigned to it. So let's go ahead and create a new marketing campaign for Dunder Mifflin. This campaign project is going to be for Dunder Mifflin, and let's create it. All right, so we've just fired up this new campaign project. It lined up our list of tasks, and as you can see, it assigned the right person to these tasks because this is for Dunder Mifflin, and that logic was just built in. We've just let ProcessKit dynamically figure out who should be assigned to the right tasks in the right situation. So that's dynamic roles in ProcessKit.